Have you ever wondered how secure your online presence is? In the vast expanse of the digital universe, there's a silent sentinel standing guard over our virtual identities: cybersecurity. This isn't some nebulous concept, but a tangible, critical structure designed to protect our information, our privacy, and our peace of mind. In today's digital age, where almost every aspect of our lives intertwines with the internet, the importance of cybersecurity is undeniable. But as our reliance on digital platforms grows, so does the looming threat of cyber attacks. In the shadows, hackers and malicious entities are constantly seeking to exploit vulnerabilities, to steal, to disrupt, and to cause chaos. It's a constant tug of war, a battle of wits and resources between the guardians of the cyber realm and the marauders seeking to breach its walls. The development of cybersecurity has been a fascinating journey. Let's dive into the chronology of its elements. The roots of cybersecurity take us back to the Second World War with the birth of cryptography. So, what is cryptography? It's essentially a method of protecting information by transforming it into an unreadable format. Only those with a special key can decipher this coded message, making it a secure way to transmit sensitive data. Now imagine it's the 1940s. The world is at war, and secure communication is a matter of life and death. Cryptography was the secret weapon, allowing allies to exchange important messages without fear of them falling into enemy hands. Fast forward to today, and cryptography is everywhere. It's the backbone of internet security, keeping our online transactions safe and ensuring our private information stays private. It's the reason you can shop online, bank online, and even vote online without worrying about your information being stolen. Cryptography marked the beginning of a new era in secure communication, paving the way for more advanced security measures. Moving forward in time, the 1980s brought us the firewall, our first line of defense. Picture a virtual wall, a barrier if you will, that stands tall and firm between your precious data and the nebulous world of cyber threats. This is what a firewall is, a cyber knight standing guard at the gates of your network, allowing only those with the right credentials to pass. It scrutinizes every piece of data, every request for access, every packet of information. It's like a bouncer at a club, checking IDs and denying entry to those who don't make the cut. Firewalls can be hardware, software, or a combination of both, but their mission is the same: to protect networks from unauthorized access. In essence, firewalls are the sentinels of our digital world, tirelessly working to keep our data safe from prying eyes and nefarious intentions. Firewalls gave us an edge in the fight against cyber threats, but they were just the beginning. By the 1990s, as personal computers became widespread, so did the need for personal protection. Enter antivirus software. This software, much like a personal bodyguard, watches over your computer, protecting it from harmful intruders. These intruders, often known as viruses, worms, or trojans, are malicious programs designed to damage your computer or steal your data. Antivirus software operates by scanning your computer for known threats. It references a database of known viruses and malware, and if it finds a match, it swings into action, isolating or removing the threat. In essence, it's a vigilant protector, always on the lookout for harmful programs. But it's not just about defense. Antivirus software also plays an offensive role. It helps you avoid dangerous websites and suspicious downloads, and it can even detect phishing scams. It's a multifaceted tool, a true personal bodyguard for your digital life. While antivirus software protected individual devices, the internet era demanded a more comprehensive approach. In the early 2000s, intrusion detection systems came into play, acting as the watchful eye in cybersecurity. These systems are the unsung heroes, tirelessly scanning the vast expanse of network traffic, hunting for signs of nefarious activity. They're like the ever-vigilant sentinels, safeguarding the digital fortress from potential invaders. Intrusion detection systems operate by applying predefined rules or statistical algorithms to identify suspicious patterns in network traffic. They serve as an invaluable tool in our cybersecurity arsenal, alerting us to potential threats before they can cause significant damage. Picture them as the digital equivalent of a security guard on patrol. They're constantly on the lookout for anything out of the ordinary, ready to sound the alarm at the first sign of trouble. Yet, as crucial as these systems are, they're just a part of a larger, more comprehensive strategy for cybersecurity. Intrusion detection systems enhanced our ability to spot threats, but prevention is always better than cure. Now, we stand on the cusp of a new era in cybersecurity, driven by machine learning and artificial intelligence. In the vast and complex digital universe where cyber threats are continuously evolving, there is a need for a more proactive and predictive approach, and this is where machine learning and AI step in. These technologies are not just game changers, they are reshaping the entire landscape of cybersecurity. Machine learning, a subset of AI, enables systems to learn and improve from experience, detecting patterns and anomalies that are often invisible to the human eye. It's like having an extra pair of eyes that never blink, tirelessly scanning vast amounts of data, learning from each piece and adapting its approach accordingly. AI, on the other hand, goes a step further. It doesn't just identify patterns, it predicts. It uses past data to forecast future cyber threats, enabling us to take preventive measures before an attack happens. Imagine being able to predict a storm before it hits, and not just predict it, but determine its trajectory, its intensity, and the potential damage it could cause. That's the power of AI in cybersecurity. But the beauty of machine learning and AI doesn't stop at prediction. These technologies also aid in automating responses to cyber threats, reducing the response time significantly. It's like having a digital bodyguard that not only anticipates threats but also acts on them swiftly and efficiently. As we look to the future, the role of machine learning and AI in cybersecurity will only continue to grow. These technologies will become more integrated, more sophisticated, and more essential. We're not just talking about better defense, we're talking about a revolution. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. As we embrace machine learning and AI, we must also ensure that these technologies are used responsibly and ethically. As cyber threats evolve, so does our defense. Stay secure, stay vigilant, because in the digital world, the price of freedom is eternal vigilance.